Hello friends, this is your host once again bringing you greetings from our channel. In the last two videos we discussed about the production of biofertilizers using Pseudomonas and Azotobacter. Today we are going to see another important class of biofertilizers, which is the yeast and lactic acid bacteria. These biofertilizers are produced from the microbial consortium of yeast and lactic acid bacteria. Before going to their production method, let's see what are the microorganisms used for this purpose. Yeast and lab are two different types of microorganisms. Yeast are single-cell organisms that are classified as a fungus. They are larger than bacteria and are typically oval or round in shape. Few examples of yeast are Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Candida utilis, and so on. The most common yeast used as biofertilizers are of the genus Candida. Lactic acid bacteria, they are also single-cell organisms like yeast but are classified as bacteria. They are smaller than yeast and are typically rod or spiral in shape. The most common lab used as biofertilizers belong to the genus Lactobacillus, Micrococcus, and Streptococcus. Now coming to the benefits of these biofertilizers. The use of yeast and lab as biofertilizers has several advantages. First one is the source of plant nutrients. Like other biofertilizers, yeast and lab also provide essential plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Second, they enhance nutrient uptake. Yeast and lab produce organic acids which help to mobilize nutrients in the soil, making them more available for plants. Third, they promote root growth. Certain compounds produced by yeast and lab stimulate root growth, leading to a larger root system and improved nutrient absorption. Fourth, they induce systemic resistance. By inducing the systemic resistance in plants, these biofertilizers help plants to fight against various diseases. Fifth, they improve soil health. Yeast and lab add to the organic matter content of the soil and improve its overall health. And finally, they are environmentally friendly. As these biofertilizers are natural, they do not have any adverse effects on the environment and are an excellent alternative to chemical fertilizers. Now let's see how to make this biofertilizer. To make a biofertilizer using a consortium of yeast and lab, you need to follow a simple process. First step is the selection of the microorganisms. For this purpose, you can use any combination of yeast and lab. However, it is important to use a pure culture of each microorganism to avoid any contamination. Second step is the preparation of the culture medium. For the growth of yeast and lab, you can prepare a nutrient-rich culture medium using ingredients like glucose, peptone, and yeast extract. The pH of the medium should be adjusted between 5.5 and 6.5. The third step is the inoculation of the microorganisms into the culture medium. After inoculation, the mixture is incubated at a suitable temperature for the growth of the microorganisms. The incubation period may vary depending on the type of microorganisms used. The fourth step is the fermentation process. During the fermentation process, the microorganisms grow and multiply, producing a variety of beneficial compounds. The fermentation is carried out for a specific period to ensure optimal growth of the microorganisms. The fifth step is the collection and storage of the biofertilizer. After fermentation, the biofertilizer is collected and stored in a refrigerator for further use. It is important to note that the selection of the microorganisms, the composition of the culture medium, and the fermentation conditions should be optimized for the production of a high-quality biofertilizer. Now, coming to the application methods, the yeast and lab biofertilizer can be applied to plants in various ways, such as seed treatment, soil application, and foliar spray. Seed treatment involves coating the seeds with the biofertilizer before planting. Soil application involves incorporating the biofertilizer into the soil either as a liquid or solid. Foliar spray involves spraying the biofertilizer on the leaves of the plant, as we have seen. The biofertilizers produced from the Microbial Consortium of Yeast and Lab are a great alternative to chemical fertilizers as they provide several benefits to plants and the environment. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more updates.